going live. Good morning, guys. So I am logging on early to do some work as I will be traveling this afternoon or this evening, and so I'm trying to go ahead and get my work knocked out so I won't have to take a lot of work equipment with me while I travel. A lot of things I can actually do from my phone, but this type of work that I'm doing, I don't pretty much I don't want to take my laptop. So yeah, and I have multiple laptops. But anyway, like as far as like checking emails or responding to emails and things of that nature, I can do from my phone. But yes, I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee and get started. And I typically start when the sun is out. As you can see, it's a little dark here. But yeah, so I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I'm taking a quick break from auditing. So for those of you who are new to my channel or not in my closed group on Facebook, I'm doing the 12 days of Christmas coding. Instead of doing the YouTube Vlogmas, I'm actually doing like a Christmas giveaway contest in my closed group on Facebook. Every day at a certain time I go live just to kind of chit chat and then provide a coding question, and the first coder or group member to respond will be the one to receive the gift. I thought that was easier than creating a YouTube. But I may upload some screenshots or some of the clips from that particular event in a YouTube video. But anyway, so yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So I took a break from auditing to come on to do that. And again, I will keep you posted when it's done.
So hard to take a break, walking crazy, Told the bird I'ma take over her detonation. Setting in first class, that's my message. The shit I spit isn't for attention. This shit just a game. Going OKT, I make a name. Two shots kill the brain. I've been working with the pain is the ring. Shit is the same. I never change. Even when I got the damage, I'm a chance. I got a vision. I'm on a mission. Feel the tension.
I just made 2 doctors. I thought it was my home barbecue.
Nice.
Make sure you zoom in on the earrings.
Oh, for sure. Yes, I love those earrings. Yes. The rings. I love the bracelets too. Oh, yeah. Nice.
And like I said, it's another table up under there, but
Okay.
I think I got enough set up tonight.
Okay, and you're here.
It's like bracelets. Yeah, I got about 50 more bracelets that I ain't put up. Whatever.